Hello, my name is Mrs. Brownlee, and I'm the Acting Head of Humanities, and welcome to this video about the Humanities subject options. In Humanities, there are 4 subjects at GCSE: Geography, History, Sociology, and Philosophical Thinking. When making their choices, Year 9 students must pick to either take History or Geography. They can also then opt to take Philosophical Thinking and/or Sociology. The Geography course we offer is AQA. The course is 100% exam and has 3 exam papers. Each exam paper focuses on a different element of geography. The first 2 exam papers, paper 1 and paper 2, are both worth 35% of the grade and are 1 hour and 30 minutes long. Paper 3 is worth 30% of the grade and is 1 hour and 15 minutes long. The skills the examiner is looking for is decision making, evaluation, statistical and data, map analysis, inquiry, and forming an argument. What do we cover? So in Year 10, students look at the following topics: the living world, natural hazards, urban issues and challenges, physical landscapes, and in Year 11, they have a look at changing economic world, they do a piece of fieldwork on Swindon, they look at challenging of resource management, and they also get the opportunity to look at some pre-release material from the exam board. For paper 3, the students need to evaluate a key issue. They're given a pre-release booklet which contains information for the exam. They cannot take their annotated booklet into the exam with them, but they get a fresh copy in the exam to help them. In the yellow box then, students must complete at least 2 pieces of fieldwork. At Abbey Park, we take students in term 6 of Year 10 to a river to complete some fieldwork river study. And they also complete a piece of work as homework for the human fieldwork on Swindon. If you have any questions about geography topic for options, please email one of the geography teachers in the box below. Career opportunities that link to geographical skills are on the slide here. There's many of them, looking at things like town planning, surveying, tourism, pilots, being a teacher, working for the government, anything to do with maps. There's lots and lots of different career paths that you can get to from geography. The history exam board that we study is edXL. The history course is 100% exam, and student will take 3 exams. Paper 1 will be on medicine in Britain, and that is 1 hour and 15 minutes long. Paper 2 is on 2 topics: early Elizabethan England and superpower relations in the Cold War, and that is 1 hour and 45 minutes long. And paper 3, Weimar and Nazi Germany, is 1 hour and 20 minutes long. The skills the examiner is looking for in history is description, explanation, looking at causes and consequences, evaluation, source skills, and significance. In Year 10, the students will study Weimar and Nazi Germany. They will also have a look at the Cold War. And in Year 11, they will be looking at medicine in Britain and Elizabethan England. If you have any questions about the history option, you can email any of the teachers in the box. Career opportunities that link to history are on the board there, and there's lots of skills that history lends itself to. For example, researchers, tour guides, museum curators, archaeologists, civil servants, journalists, politicians, anything kind of to do with research, and lots of different career opportunities from history. Philosophical thinking. The exam board that we use for philosophical thinking is AQA. There are 2 religions that are studied in philosophical thinking: Christianity and Buddhism. There are 2 exams in philosophical thinking. Exam 1 focuses just on the beliefs, teachings, and practices of Christianity and Buddhism. And paper 2 looks at thematic studies around those 2 subjects. Both exams are 1 hour and 45 minutes long, and they are worth 50% each. The skills the examiner is looking for philosophical thinking is description, explanation, using quotes from scriptures and texts, analysis, constructing arguments, and making judgments. In Year 10, students look at the beliefs and teachings of Christianity, and then they also look at the practices of Christianity around the world. They will then look at Buddhism, its beliefs and teachings, and its daily practices. In Year 11, they build on the knowledge that they have learnt about the two different religions and link those to the following thematic studies: religion and families, the existence of God, peace and conflict, crime and punishment, and religion and life. If you've got any questions about philosophical thinking, please email Miss Nightingale. Her email address is in the box there. Career opportunities in PT can take you to a variety of different skills and places. For example, counsellors, youth workers, journalists, lawyers, helping charities, community outreach, social work, lots of different opportunities there. Sociology. The exam board we use for sociology is AQA. Students will take 2 exams in sociology, both exams being 1 hour and 45 minutes long. Paper 1 focuses on sociology of families and education, and paper 2 focuses on the sociology of crime and deviance and social stratification. The skills that are used for sociology are description, explanation, analysis, evaluation, construct arguments, and to make judgments. In Year 10, students will focus on looking at the sociology of families and the sociology of education. They will also look at relevant areas of social theory and methodology. And in Year 11, they look at the sociology of crime and deviance and the sociology of social stratification. They also look at relevant areas of social theory and methodology there as well. If you have any questions about sociology, please email Miss Jackson. Her email is in the box at the top. Career opportunities that link to the skills of sociology are on the screen here. You can see social worker, counsellor, teacher, police, civil servant, NHS, journalist, lawyer, another plethora of different jobs that could be offered. That concludes this video about humanities option subjects. If you have any questions, please email the subject teachers whose contacts are on each of the slides. Thank you very much.